pretty bad. This takes some getting used to again. There, Vinny, I bet you've never seen this covered bridge before. That's a nice sized group again. Welcome to the Fall Colors Ride. So far it doesn't seem very inviting. Cloudy, maybe 6 or 7 degrees at the moment. All of that's supposed to improve, hopefully. Also kind of sad that this is the fall ride. We are not supposed to be this deep into fall already. Doesn't even feel like we should be halfway through summer yet. Jump on the highway to get to the meeting point and maybe get a chance to try out my cheap little throttle lock here. See how that thing works. It's also kind of sad because this is the first ride out with it and I bought it about a month ago. I'm dressed for the afternoon heat while riding in the morning cold. Hey, look at that. Poor man's cruise control. Jake just makes a surprise appearance here.
Big chicken, you. I thought you were going to bring the other one.
Bring the night chicken.
Then I got all freaked out this morning and see we wouldn't start. The bang and the fucking started. Well, I think I scared everybody in the building.
If you wouldn't have passed me on the highway, I would have been the first one to the ride. I've never been the first one to the ride.
Camera. Did you record that?
No, I don't think so.
I get off the highway at Mapleton. I get on the highway. I look over, see John on the highway. He's like,
passes me on the on-ramp.
I beat him here. I passed him on the on-ramp.
All right. It's pretty bad. This takes some getting used to again. I haven't even been on my 10 for about a month now. Yep. Yeah, I hear you fine. Is it just me, or is it every time we have a really hot summer, you don't see quite as many red leaves in the fall? Yeah, like they kind of, you'll get the red, but they're almost dull. Yeah, this one tree's gonna call me a liar. Yeah, shows what you know, you fucking idiot. It's the first time riding with this throttle lock on. I'm always in the back of my head, like, wondering, is it gonna get caught in my brakes, like, and affect me braking, but there's no real way it can do that, but... yeah, it's kind of out of the way. It's not where I grab the grip anyway, so... it certainly beats the, $200 to $300 they want for that fancy Atlas one. Now that I'm riding the Nighthawk a lot too, I could do it the old school way and just, you know, jam a bunch of O-rings in the throttle tube. Okay, I think I know who that is, or I've seen him before. Take Creek Road, I guess. Creek Road used to be the better option through here, but now it's not much different than the rest. There could very well still be a few hunters in the woods right in here, hoping the fuck they see something before the end of the day. No time at all. Plus, just heading towards Sussex is gonna probably drive it up a couple degrees too. Tends to be a bit warmer there. forgot I was going to tell Pete, if I do decide to take the Nighthawk on this ride, I can guarantee you there will be no flat tire at 300 kilometers an hour. It's just not going to happen. As I was leaving today, Tracy's like, be careful there, take it easy today. I said, Tracy, I got brand new valve stems, what could go wrong? Yeah, I think at one point she said, just try stay off of Jake's trailer today. Yeah, it doesn't look the smoothest in some spots, eh? But then again, it almost looks like that micro surfacing or whatever. They kind of patch up the road and then spray it on or whatever. I mean, if it's cheap enough that they can do it every couple of years and keep it in good shape, then fine, I'm all for it. But you know that's not how it'll go. Like this road here has some issues underneath it, and they didn't do a thing with that. Oof, Al just found one. Like, that's a shame, because they literally just put this stuff down a month ago. There, Vinny, I bet you've never seen this covered bridge before. Fucking white cars. What's wrong with you people? That's a nice sized group again. The fall ride usually has a pretty good turnout because it's getting towards the end of the year, and you got guys like me who feel like they haven't ridden enough throughout the summer, so they need to get out. Well, while we were stopped, my helmet took its first spill. My dumbass left it sitting on my seat. It got bumped. Now my fancy transitions lens has a little scrape down the center of it. I'll have to try clean that up when I get home. As it stands right now, though, it's not horrible. It's no worse than having a bug on there. Steven wastes no time. That was worthwhile just to hear the chirp. Well, I guess it's going to be a solo ride down to St. Martin's. This Alpine Star jacket has the cheapest zipper imaginable on it, and apparently I didn't have it hooked just right. It just like totally split wide open. I got it hooked back up. Let's see how long that lasts. They've got quite a lead on me, so I won't even bother trying to play catch up. That's just too much. I guess Vinny and Jake and Dwayne. Wardrobe malfunction. Fucking jacket split open. The zipper wasn't hooked. worst thing that happens to me on this ride is my jacket screwing up a little bit, and I guess my shield getting scratched up. I can live with that. No 300-kilometer-an-hour flat tires or catastrophic engine damage. Wow, that good pave doesn't last very long anymore, does it? Oh, it makes a brief reappearance. That's nice. Don't let anybody ever tell you a Honda ST can't lean. Makes that change over to chip seal, it always catches me off guard and like, whoa, shit, this is going to be slick, but this chip seal is old enough now that it's got some grip to it. Terrible. I don't like passing other riders when I'm on a group ride with them. I guess I'm just too polite. I'm pretty proud of Pete. He says, I'm going to come on this ride and just take it easy. And here he is. He's not up front banging elbows with everybody.